asuntosykeyhtiö Innalan Venla.
Innalantie 20. Sointula, Valkeakoski, Pirkanmaa, Finland. And sadly, this is not good. Not even the information about the original one. Replaced the 2012 Otis. Serial numbers with 1K 5208. The capacity is 5 purchased of 4 grams. Probably originally built by Koni.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2023. This replacement is turning 10 years old in 2022. This was made a bit faster.
Yeah.
This is the only good thing about this than the wooden interior. Otherwise, this is too boring. Please go. All the other ones in the area are still the original.
Yeah. Yes, tippaakin vai? Täältä meidän tempoiltus sort of describe this.
Yeah. That's it. Please, goes.
That's it.